Hey there, investors. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the game. It's not science fiction anymore. AI is here and it's transforming every industry imaginable. We're talking healthcare, finance, transportation, you name it. AI is shaking things up. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and develop new treatments. This is huge. Imagine a world with faster diagnoses and more effective cures. That's the power of AI. The financial industry is also being revolutionized by AI. Think algorithmic trading, fraud detection, and personalized financial advice. AI is making the market smarter and more efficient. And let's not forget about transportation. Self-driving cars are no longer a fantasy, they're on the roads today. AI is powering these vehicles, making transportation safer and more efficient for everyone. This is just the beginning, folks. AI is poised to revolutionize countless other industries in the years to come. The possibilities are limitless. Now, let's bring AI down to earth a bit. It's not all about futuristic cities and flying cars, though that would be pretty cool. AI is already impacting our daily lives in tangible ways. Remember the last time you asked Siri or Alexa a question? That's AI in action. These virtual assistants are powered by sophisticated algorithms that allow them to understand and respond to your requests. Ever get personalized recommendations on Netflix or Amazon? You can thank AI for that too. These platforms use AI to analyze your viewing and purchasing history, predicting what you might enjoy. Pretty neat, huh? But it goes even deeper. AI is being used to develop life-saving medical treatments, personalize your online shopping experience, and even compose music. The applications are truly mind-blowing. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more seamless integration into our daily routines. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Now let's talk numbers, because that's what we're all here for, right? The AI market is booming, and I'm not talking about some small-time growth spurt. This is an explosion of epic proportions. We're talking billions, folks, billions of dollars pouring into AI research, development, and applications, and this is just the tip of the iceberg. Experts predict that the AI market will reach trillions of dollars in value within the next decade. Trillions. This kind of explosive growth presents an incredible opportunity for investors. By getting in early on the right AI companies, you can position yourself to profit from this technological revolution. But remember, with great opportunity comes the need for careful research and strategic decision-making. This isn't a game for the faint of heart, but if you're willing to do your homework and ride the wave of innovation, the potential rewards are enormous. So buckle up, investors, because the AI gold rush is on. So, you're ready to jump into the exciting world of AI investing, but you're not sure where to begin? Don't worry, I've got you covered. First, you need to understand the different categories of AI stocks. We're talking hardware, software, and applications. Think of it like a three-layered cake. At the bottom, you've got the hardware companies. These are the companies making the powerful chips and processors that power AI systems. Without them, AI would be nothing more than lines of code. Then you've got the software layer. These companies are developing the algorithms, platforms, and tools that allow AI to learn and make decisions. They're the brains behind the operation. And finally, at the top, you have the applications layer. These are the companies using AI to create innovative products and services across various industries. They're taking AI to the masses. Each layer presents its own unique investment opportunities. Whether you're betting on the companies building the foundation or those developing cutting-edge applications, understanding these categories is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Section 5, Picking AI Winners, What to Look For. Now that you understand the different categories of AI stocks, let's talk about how to pick winners. Because, let's face it, not all AI companies are created equal. First and foremost, you need to look at the technology. Is it truly cutting edge, or is it just hype? Look for companies with strong intellectual property, a track record of innovation, and a clear vision for the future. Next, consider the company's market share. Are they a dominant player in their industry, or are they a small fish in a big pond? Market leaders often have a competitive advantage, but don't discount the potential of disruptive startups. And of course, you need to assess the competition. Is the company operating in a crowded market with established players, or are they carving out a niche for themselves? Understanding the competitive landscape is crucial for evaluating a company's long-term prospects. Remember, investing in AI is not just about picking companies with cool-sounding technology. It's about identifying companies with a solid business model, a strong management team, and a clear path to profitability. Section 6. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, diversifying your AI portfolio. Now, even if you're the best stock picker in the world, and hey, maybe you are, you never want to put all your eggs in one basket. That's why diversification is key, especially in a rapidly evolving field like AI. Don't just bet on one company or even one category of AI stocks. Spread your risk by investing in a mix of hardware, software, and application companies. Consider investing in AI ETFs or exchange-traded funds. These funds track a basket of AI stocks, providing instant diversification and reducing your exposure to any single company's performance. Remember, diversification is your best defense against the inherent volatility of the stock market. By spreading your bets, you can increase your chances of long-term success in the exciting world of AI investing. Don't be afraid to rebalance your portfolio periodically as the AI market evolves, and always remember investing involves risk, so never invest more than you can afford to lose. Section 7, AI powerhouses, the big players you need to know. All right, enough about the basics. You're ready for the big leagues, right? Let's talk about some of the heavy hitters in the AI space, the companies that are shaping the future of this game-changing technology. First up, we've got the undisputed champion of AI, NVIDIA. These guys are the kings of AI chips, powering everything from self-driving cars to supercomputers. They're a powerhouse in the making, and their stock reflects that. Next, we've got Google, the search giant that's also a leader in AI research and development. From their AI-powered search algorithms to their self-driving car subsidiary, Waymo, Google is betting big on AI, and so far, it's paying off. And let's not forget about Microsoft. They're making massive investments in AI across their cloud computing platform, Azure, and their software suite. They're a force to be reckoned with in the AI space. These are just a few of the many exciting AI companies out there. It's important to do your own research and identify companies that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. But one thing's for sure, these AI powerhouses are worth keeping a close eye on. Section 8, AI investing, playing the long game and riding the hype wave. So you're ready to buy some AI stocks, but you're not sure how to play it? Well, you've got two main options: play the long game or ride the hype wave. Long-term investors look for companies with solid fundamentals, a strong track record of growth, and a sustainable competitive advantage. They're in it for the long haul, willing to weather the ups and downs of the market. Then you've got the short-term traders, the ones looking to capitalize on the hype surrounding AI. They're buying and selling stocks based on news, momentum, and market sentiment. They're in it for the quick buck, and they're not afraid to take on more risk. Which strategy is right for you? Well, that depends on your risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon. There's no right or wrong answer, but it's important to understand the risks and rewards of each approach. Remember, AI is a long-term game. The companies that succeed in the long run will be those that can consistently innovate, adapt to changing market conditions, and deliver real value to their customers. Section 9. Do your homework and join the AI revolution. So there you have it, folks. The world of AI investing is full of opportunities and risks. But with a little knowledge and a lot of research, you can position yourself to profit from this transformative technology. Remember, I'm just one guy with a TV show. Don't take my word for it. Do your own homework. Read everything you can about AI, research different companies, and talk to financial advisors you trust. And hey, if you want to stay ahead of the curve and get even more insights into the exciting world of AI investing, be sure to subscribe to our newsletter and check out our website for exclusive content and analysis. The future of investing is here, and it's powered by AI. Are you in? Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. All investments involve risk. Please consult with a qualified professional before making any investment decisions.